A lifetime in repeat.
Another video. Hey, what's up you guys? I am back with another YouTube video. So I got an Elgato capture card for my birthday, and I decided to play some Splatoon 2 because I actually really like this game. I'm just gonna play a little turf war with a what is it? The Splat Dualies, because I'm not going into ranked yet. No. So let's get into this. I'll cut back whenever I'm into a battle or whatever. I don't know. Okay, we are in a battle. Let's do this. I'm sorry I sound so tired, because I am. But yeah, I've already warmed up and everything, so. Oh, nice. Okay. I really don't know what to say while I'm trying to play. Oh, and this is usually what I wear whenever I'm playing ranked. There's a sniper right there. He sees me. Yeah. Got him. Oh, there's another sniper. Back up out of there. Back up out. Okay. Seems like we have it down for right now. But anything can change. And what's his name? Etz, I think that's how you pronounce his name. I was in a battle with him earlier, and I was like, and we had a disconnect, so it made my team look like we sucked really bad. Ooh, he almost got me. Oh, they know where, no, bye. They all died, okay. Okay, that's cool. Oh, I don't think they see me. Get him. Ah, that was my kill. He took my kill. They have so many snipers, I can't go up there. Ooh. Got him. Okay. Where? Right there. They have two snipers up there. Okay. Where are they? I know they jumped down. Yeah, he got killed. I'm so sorry if you hear background noises. We're still moving into our new house. I've already made like 3 videos talking about that. Okay. I'm just trying not to get killed. Protect my teammate. Oh, get him. Oh, I got one. He hit me right in my face. Oh, he killed someone though. No, they're getting him. I'll just go down here, take the long way. I'll probably play another battle since this is so short. My team was doing all the work for me. I didn't even do anything. GG easy. It wasn't really. I'm so sorry if I sound weird right now. I just don't know what to say because this is my first time doing this. And we came out with the win. I only got 3. They got 13 kills. It's not that. You don't need to go that try hard. We're gonna do one more battle since this was so short. And I will cut back whenever it's time for the next battle. Okay, we are on to the next battle. You can hear all this stuff in the background. I am so sorry. We have 2 snipers. They have 1. Unless these people are really good, might not have a chance to win. Because they're meant for support, not to ink. Okay, they have one person up there. Ooh, he's right there. Okay. And my teammate already died. That's that part. Got him. Okay. Oh, I didn't even see him. Oh, no. Please don't kill me. I thought that person would have died. Oh, how did he get me? How did he get me? That is dumb. Okay. We are just inking turf right now. How's my team doing right now? Okay, they're still all alive. For now. There has to be someone up here. No, I guess not. Oh, there. How? Oh my god. I'm done with life. Okay. Mid is free. There's someone coming up from back here. Oh, back up, please. Come on! That was so dumb. Watch out, please watch out. Oh, he's dead. Okay. We are getting wrecked right now. No. I gotta go. Hey, ooh. Please, snipers, do something. Oh, they did something. Okay. I can't go up there. Please, no. I got destroyed. Got him. Okay. Come on. Oh, got him. Gotta go. Okay, got him. Let's do this. We can still get this back. No, we can't. They're gonna be right up on me. Oh my god. We lost really badly. How did they both die? Okay, they're all dead. Well, okay. We got destroyed. Okay. Let me see how many kills I got. Only 3. Oh, well, their Sgriffer got 0. And they still won. The RG was putting in work for their team. Okay, that's it. Oh, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I don't know what weapon to use next time, but I'm gonna go into ranked. And yeah. Oh, and I've been working. I was like just today, right before I got the Elgato, I was a just S for tower control, but now I'm S plus. So, and I'm S plus 1 for Rainmaker. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.